So Tabletop Club it used to be a club where students would gather and play D&D specifically, but this last year I got us a whole bunch of board games. So basically what the club is a place where kids can gather after school on Mondays and Fridays and just play games with their friends. Not a whole lot of commitment involved.
We play a lot of games. It is first and foremost a tabletop game club, and that does involve a lot of tabletop like role-playing games like Dungeons and Dragons, but we also have other kind of more interesting and different ones like Monster of the Week, Call of Cthulhu, kind of a lot of weird stuff. But also we have a lot of board games, so like Jenga and Monopoly, but we also have like really cool stuff like Carcassonne and Seven Wonders, like really kind of complex, fun, interesting games that people can jump in, learn how to play, and like really get a lot of enjoyment out of.
So there are a lot of clubs out there that cater to the sporty kids, that cater to the kids that want to continue their education in their free time after school, clubs where you build and develop skills, but not a lot of clubs where you just get to relax and have a good time with other students and with the staff and just have fun playing games. And the school is a really good environment to do that sort of thing, and we have the resources. So it's something that I wanted to be involved in because I talk about games and stuff with my students all the time. So I figured, why not make it part of my job? So what makes Tabletop Club so fun is that we've got all sorts of different games for all sorts of different people. We've got games that take 5 minutes to play. We've got games that take 2 hours to play. We've got games that take weeks to play. We've got games with cards, we've got board games, we've got role-playing games, we've got anything that you could think of. So what makes it fun is, I mean, if you could think of something that's fun for you, we've got it. So it's hard to say what makes it fun because really, what makes it not fun? It'd probably be easier to say that.
So especially with the role-playing aspect, it is really fun. You're basically telling stories with each other. It's collaborative storytelling. So instead of one person being in control of like what the story is going to go, you get to take an active role in that story, and you get to play roles that you might not be able to play like in your everyday life. Like not everyone gets to walk around as a barbarian in their everyday life, but in this, you can explore and see what that feels like. It's exciting. So the way to join is just show up. There's not really, there's no dues, you just show up, you just have a good time, come with an open mind and willingness to kind of learn, and that's all you really need. We meet Mondays and Fridays, right after school in the Panther Den, basically the far end of the cafeteria. We start right after school and it goes until 5 o'clock, Mondays and Fridays.
So Tabletop Club will definitely be open for next semester. Future plans for the club after the summer are kind of in flux right now, but the hope is that we keep this club going for a long time throughout the year, every year.
Hear that, Panthers? So gear up and get ready for the fight. I'm Jacob Shaw, signing off.